Good day, Elize here. Please allow me to introduce you to our company called MustHav Distributors and of course to our wonderful products. MustHav Distributors is owned by brother and sister team Louis and Elize, a small enterprise which developed from a homemade products business. It is now run as a larger homemade establishment with an extended distribution area. Our offices and operations are located in Pretoria East. Our products include garlic spread, crushed garlic of the best grade, cheese spread, sweet mustard sauces, garlic breads, Braaibroodjies and Tartar sauce. Our client base consists of chain stores and butcheries around Gauteng. We are now calling on retail butcheries and grocery stores from all our provinces, as well as globally, to connect with us and try these uniquely recipe products with a view of selling in store. Of course, it is also a wonderful opportunity for individuals who are seeking a second income. And the consumer is very welcome to order from us directly. Please contact us, Elize at 076 222 4831 or Louis at 082 397 7360 or email us. Our email addresses are on this slide. But please don't go away because I'd like to introduce you to our wonderful products. First of all, our flagship, the very versatile garlic spread. It comes in three sizes, 250 gram, 500 gram, and 1 kilogram sizes. Now this product is stunningly delicious on seafood like fish, prawns, langoustines, mussels, etc. The taste simply explodes in your mouth on sizzling steak and vegetables. You could use it as a base for an unforgettable salad dressing or even as a dip sauce. Frankly, anywhere you would like to try it. Once you've tried this one, we predict that you'll probably never be without it again. Next is our garlic bread. And of course, garlic bread is an essentiality in every South African braai. Our garlic bread comes in two flavors, plain garlic and garlic cheese and chutney. And then the next product that I want to mention is the crushed garlic that I mentioned earlier, which is of the best grade. It comes in five sizes, 100 gram, 250 gram, 500 gram, 1 kilogram, and a 5 kilogram tub. Our incomparable sweet mustard. It is available in two flavors, with seeds and without seeds. Both flavors are available in four sizes, being 100 milliliters, 400 milliliters, 1 liter, and a 5-liter tub. Now, this product is simply incomparable and amazing on pork, on salads, on seafood, on meat, on chicken. Again, frankly, on any product, on any food you want to use it. So go ahead and try it. Our immensely popular Braaibroodjies. These are available in four different flavors, being plain, without any filling, then with a garlic alone filling, then garlic cheese and chutney filling, and lastly with a filling of garlic, cheese and chili. Folks, believe me, your braai is not complete without these Braaibroodjies. Now for our cheese spread. Ladies and gentlemen, I bet this is the tastiest cheese spread you'll ever have the opportunity to enjoy. Your children will bear me out when they have it on their school sandwiches. Please, just go ahead and try it. It's available in 5 sizes. 100 milliliters, 300 milliliters, 550 milliliters, 1 kilogram and a 5 kilogram tub. Ladies and gentlemen, our tartar sauce, superior product, somewhat mild, somewhat tangy, loved by every person who tastes it. Please, just try it. It's available in 4 sizes, 100 milliliters, 200 milliliters, 400 milliliters, and 1 liter. Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of our presentation, and herewith a quick overview over all the products I've introduced you to in this video, being our garlic spread, our mustard sauce, our crushed garlic, cheese spread, our tartar sauce, our garlic bread, and our Braaibroodjies. We hope to hear from you soon. Our contact details in the next slide. Thank you for your time. That's all, folks. Please contact us, Elize 076 222 4831 or Louis 082 397 7360, or chat with us or leave a message. We hope to talk to you very soon, and maybe we can have a cup of coffee together. God bless.